Good morning. This is Sherilyn from Casa Grande. Sunshine and Steve are still sleeping in. It's way past noon. I don't know what's up with you Californians, but in Arizona and Casa Grande, we get up when the rooster crows. That's how I was brought up by my grandpappy on his cotton farm. So I am going to read something Sunshine wrote late last night when she was very upset. So I hope you're ready. I'm going to read just a little at a time because I know I can't take more than 5 minutes apparently, to keep achoo your attention, even with achoo hiccups and the occasional burp. This is called Crushed. So I may be reading this achoo with a silly accent, or even, my sweet Jesus forbid, throw in just for fun a hiccup or a chew sneeze. Still working on my burps with my juice right here. That's the best I can do. I fear, though, even if I can very easily on cue, that burps are not yet part of my repartee. Is that how you pronounce it in these long words that my cousins write? Just a simple warning in case anyone out there wants to take offense. What has brought on this self-examination of my my self-expression, which I pray glorifies Jesus every day? There you go. There's a real one. Achoo! I pray glorifies Jesus every day, never me. You may ask. You did ask, did you not? Well, regardless, this is a real one. I can do better than that. Ask my husband. True. Yes. Regardless, yesterday, my husband and me were called into a very teeny tiny office in this gigantor church we go to on Sunday mornings by a very young man, a pastor, he said, whom we had met just the day before. I wondered why he had made a point of introducing himself to us. Silly me. I thought it was to encourage me. Achoo! These darn hiccups again. So, called to the principal's office. My body already racked with pain, as usual, and not helping that we were made to wait for him, even though he called us just that very morning, as if it was some kind of emergency. I'm quite sure he knows I suffer from something. The large brace on my leg and the wheelchair I was in when I first met him. Surely must have given it away that I was disabled and in some amount of pain. So the reason for this appointment with one of the zillion pastors at our gigantic church, it seems as if some gossiping and judging had been happening, not by us, but by them, and apparently by others, without even taking the time and calling me personally. The truth! To get their facts straight, these men decided to come to their own conclusion, which was completely wrong. The truth! Oh, that was the real one. But I can do better, I promise. Don't give up on me yet. What had happened to my sensitivity compass yesterday? Well, it was acting up as usual in my stomach. And I am going to cut it off right there. at the 5-minute mark, because I know I can't go longer than that. So don't go away if you want to see me hiccuping and trying to burp. And more. Alrighty? Be right back. Don't go away.